Hello, and welcome to day number 77 of the 5 Luo words a day. In today's edition, we shall talk about these 5 words, which are Atieno, Ating'a ongo, Atipa, Atokndere, and Atol. I hope you enjoy the session as you're with us, and please remember to subscribe to the channel so that you can always find the 5 Luo words a day every day. So let's start with the first word, which is Atieno. Atieno is a female name of whose the opposite masculine name is Otieno. So it's a proper noun given to a child who is born at night. Atieno Otieno. So in an example, you can say Nyinga en Atieno nikech ne onyuola gotieno. There's a spelling mistake for Nike. Nyinga en Atieno nikech ne onyuola gotieno. My name is Atieno since I was born in the night. Secondly, let's talk about the next one, which is Ating'a ongo, sometimes just called Ating'a. Ating'a ongo. First of all, the genesis of this word ting means carry. So ongo is an eagle. So Ating'a ongo is a large eagle which is capable of carrying off a small lamb or a small goat. So it's called Ating'a ongo. In a sentence we can say Ating'a ongo nyalo ting'o nyathi rombo. Ating'a ongo nyalo ting'o nyathi rombo. Good. Let's move on to day number, the third slide. In the third slide, we talk about Atipa. Atipa. Let me turn on my lights. I hope I'm clearer now. Atipa means uncultivated green creeping vegetables. And this is actually Atipa, the one you can see on your screen. Atipa is a very nice vegetable which is enjoyed by, it's a delicacy which is enjoyed in my community. And in a sentence you can say Nyar tok kodera ne otedo nwa alot mar Atipa chiemb otieno. Nyar tok kodera ne otedo nwa alot mar Atipa chiemb otieno. So Atipa is actually called Asastasia shimperi. Asastasia shimperi. I'm not good at scientific names though. Great. So let's look at number 4. And number 4 says Atokndere. Atokndere. Atokndere is a strand of unshaved hair at the back of a shaved head. So for example, if you shave your hair and this part here, you see this part, usually some people forget to shave it. Then that strand of unshaved hair will be called Atokndere. In example sentence we can say Onyos oliele ahuta ma odong kod Atokndere. Onyos oliele ahuta ma odong kod Atokndere. So his barber did a shoddy job and he has a lot of unshaved hair at the back of his head. Onyos, let me take that again. Onyos oliele ahuta ma odong kod Atokndere. Then the last one of the day is atol. Atol. Atol comes from the word tol, which is a fastener or a rope. So atol is an undergarment equivalent to a thong for the modern day thong, but because it's a lady's undergarment. But it is you use a rope to fasten it around the hips. So I think the thong got its nice design from the word atol. Atol, the thong came from the atol. In an example, you can say nyako ma orwako atol. Nyako ma orwako atol. So that lady donning an undergarment tied using a rope. I hope you enjoyed this video, and this is day number 70. I think it's 70 what? 77. And hey, please consider subscribing to the channel. Consider sharing the video with your friends. Consider looking at all the other videos that we've done in this channel, just so that you can learn the Luo language and be at par with your vocabulary. This is a channel where we help you develop your Luo vocabulary. And what we do is we give, in this series, we do questions and answers. But soon, we shall be doing videos, our normal videos that we used to do before we started doing this. We are soon rolling in to start doing them like in the next 2 or so weeks. And also, we do a lot of live streams. We are looking for guests. If you want to be a guest, you can always write your name on the, you can contact us on the comments of the video, and then we'll come back to you and we'll help us develop some content. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you tomorrow. Oriti, goodbye.